Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a BoxyCharm box to unbox. So let's see what is inside. This is a monthly subscription, but gosh, I tell you what, it seems like it comes more frequently, but sure it doesn't. It's just crazy. And this one you get 5 full-size samples, or 5 full-size, not even samples, products. And this tells me what they are, so I will, oops, didn't mean to rip it. I will look at that as I go along. So this first thing is Nude Sticks, Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. And let me see what this says. A super long-wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all-day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. Well, I'm not much into the nude glam, but I am kind of intrigued. Okay. Oh, wow. I actually kind of like that. That's kind of cool. I couldn't tell if this opens up. Seems like it does something. Maybe it twists. No? This is in the color copper foil. I don't know. Maybe it will raise up once I use more of it. I'm not sure. This seems like it does something. If you guys know, let me know. But that's kind of cool, right? Ooh, and I can see how it does wear. Nice. And then, let's see, No Pore Blum Primer. Smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. So let's see what this says. Well, I don't even see this. Oh, it's Touch and Soul. Okay. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. No Pore Blum Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So this is what it looks like. And I have some kind of like that from It. And I will say that the It one feels a little smoother, but this feels really smooth and nice. I don't really see a difference. But, you know, it's my hand, so maybe I wouldn't. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I love this mascara. I buy this. Oh, and I didn't tell you how much these things were. This Nude Sticks retails for $24. This is $18. This is $24. Indulge in mascara that actually lives up to his name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while film-forming polymers lock to your lashes in a perfect curl. And this is really nice mascara. I love this mascara, so that is exciting to me. This is Coco Cabana Sol de Janeiro, an instant rush of hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. This reminds me kind of that bum cream or something that I had gotten in a different box. This says, create a seamless canvas for your, nope, I'm reading the wrong one. Sol de Janeiro's Coco Cabana cream instantly transforms dry, hydrated, irritated skin into the softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil in water cream gel texture kisses the body, with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture up to 72 hours. Deliciously scented with Shiroza 39 fragrance with mouth-watering notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. It does seem like it leaked a little bit because I was getting, and then I just dropped that face down. So it did leak a little bit because there's some on the edge here. But it doesn't look like the case is broken or anything. And it does smell amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Where's my son? He would love the smell of coconut. I don't know why I'm putting that lid thing back on there, but it seems like maybe I should. I don't want to waste this. I seriously don't. It is nice. I am very pleased with this box. I think I will use everything. I'm not sure about the eyeliner or the eyeshadow, but I'm kind of digging it. I'm going to try it and see what I think. And if I don't like it, I'm sure my daughter will. And there's still one more thing in here. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. And this retails for $20. And that is a lot of money for, in my opinion, for 2.5 ounces of lotion. But holy cow. Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. Holy cow. It is nice. I ain't not gonna lie. And I have gotten pretty vulgar before. Pretty vulgar makeup before. This vegan matte bronzing powder gives your skin a natural, radiant looking finish enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments. This bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. And I can see how it would do that. That's kind of nice. I don't really know how to use bronzer, but I am kind of digging that. I am excited about this box. They did a great job this month. BoxyCharm, I totally would recommend. So check it out. Go to boxycharm.com or hashtag BoxyCharm I see up here, and check it out for yourself. See what you think. It is, I get the yearly subscription, so it just automatically comes to me every month. But you can do it, I think, monthly or unless, like, you don't have to do the whole year. I just particularly like to not have to worry about it. And I had the money and when it was time to sign up, so that's what I did. But and I know you get a discount that way, so that also gives me a good incentive to do that. So I don't know that I'll continue to do it, but I can tell you that I've been very satisfied with what I've gotten so far. I mean, I seriously buy this anyway and spend the full price at Sephora and Sephora. I'm like, what is that? Or Ulta or wherever. I only go to Sephora once a year usually when I'm in Chicago, but there's actually one in our JCPenney that I sometimes will go to too. So, well, there we go. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.